iQOO 15 smartphone, technical specifications, availability, launch date, 26 November 2025, priority access, pre-booking 27 November 2025, starts 12 p.m. General sale date, 1st December 2025, starts 12 p.m. Retail platforms, Amazon India and iQOO India official e-store. Variants. The device is available in India in two memory configurations. Base model, 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage. Top model, 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage. Price in India, 12 GB plus 256 GB, 72,999 rupees, MRP, effective price with offers, 64,999 rupees. 16 GB plus 512 GB, 79,999 rupees, MRP, effective price with offers, 71,999 rupees. Performance. Processor, SoC Qualcomm Snapdragon registered trademark symbol 8 Elite Gen 5, 3nm process technology. Coprocessor, proprietary supercomputing chip Q3. Graphics capabilities, supports 2K game super resolution and 144 FPS game frame interpolation. Benchmark performance, AnTuTu score exceeding 4,000,000 points. Hardware. RAM type, LPDDR5X Ultra, data transfer speeds up to 9600 Mbps. Storage type, UFS 4.1, featuring 36% faster file copy speeds. Cooling system, 8K single-layer VC cooling system. It features the largest vapor chamber in iQOO history with a dual-layer graphite sheet covering over 14,000 mm superscript 2. Biometrics, ultrasonic 3D fingerprint sensor, single point. Haptics, industry-first dual-axis vibration motor, combining X-axis and Z-axis motors for multi-dimensional feedback. Display. Panel technology, 6.85-inch Samsung 2K M14 LED trademark symbol OLED, flat display. Resolution, 3168 x 1440 pixels, 2K. Refresh rate, LTPO adaptive 144 Hz. Brightness, 2600 nits, high brightness mode, and 6000 nits, local peak brightness. Eye protection, features circular polarization technology, mimicking natural light, and 2160 Hz PWM dimming. Battery and charging. Battery capacity, 7000 mAh. Battery technology, third generation silicon anode with semi-solid state technology, functional in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Wired charging, 100W flash charge, supports PDPPS protocols. Wireless charging, 40W wireless flash charge. Main cameras, rear. Primary sensor, 50MP Sony IMX921 VCS, 1.56-inch sensor size, f1.88 aperture, OIS. Telephoto sensor, 50MP Sony IMX882 periscope lens, 1.95-inch sensor size, f2.65 aperture. Supports 3x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. Ultra-wide sensor, 50MP, 150 degrees field of view, f2.0 aperture. Front camera. Sensor, 32MP, f2.2 aperture, 90 degrees field of view. 10 video recording. Rear camera supports video recording up to 8K at 30 fps and 4K at 60 fps. Front camera supports video recording up to 4K at 60 fps. Design. Color options. Legend, white with BMW M Motorsport tricolor stripes. Alpha, black with a matte finish. Dimensions, approximately 8.15 mm thickness. Weight, -216G, Alpha Edition, -220G, Legend Edition. Durability. Ingress protection, rated IP68 and IP69, tested against dust, submersion, and high-pressure high-temperature water jets. Glass protection, Scott Diamond Shield Crystal Shield Glass. Software. Operating system, Origin OS 6.0, based on Android 16. Significance. This is the first iQOO device in the Indian market to replace Funtouch OS with the highly requested Origin OS, featuring a completely redesigned interface, Atomic Island, notifications, and smoother animations. Software updates. OS upgrades, guaranteed 5 years of Android OS updates. Security updates, guaranteed 7 years of security patch updates. Connectivity. Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 7 ready. Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5.4. NFC, enabled. Network, 23 antenna, Universal Sports Network System, for 360-degree signal coverage. Artificial intelligence features. Atomic Island, a dynamic interaction hub at the top of the screen for real-time status updates, similar to Dynamic Island. Eye Season Change, generative eye feature allowing users to alter the weather or season in photographs. Eye Captions, system-wide real-time translation and summarization for media. iSports Signal Engine, uses eye to predict network fluctuations and optimize connectivity during gaming to prevent lag.